So the full specs of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition has finally arrived, and in this video we'll have an in-depth look to the overall smartphone. So let's hop into the video. According to the previous report, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition was tipped to feature a Snapdragon 865 chipset in some countries and Exynos 990 in the rest of the world, but the fresh leak by WinFuture claims that the Snapdragon 865 chipset will be employed by the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G, whereas the Exynos 990 chipset has been reserved by the 4G LTE variants. Well, that's a pretty good idea to cut off the price, but we'll definitely see huge performance gap between the two variants. In my opinion, there should be around $150 price gap between the two phones, but if the price gap is below $100, I prefer to go with S20 Fan Edition 5G model. Moving on to its display, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED flat display having 2400 by 1080 resolution and has 120Hz refresh rate, which is limited to 60Hz. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 3 and includes in-display fingerprint sensor and also IP68 rating. With being said that, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will have 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, no matter whether it's 5G or 4G LTE variant. The phone comes with connectivity features like Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 6, USB-C, and it includes eSIM as well as nano SIM card slot. At the back, it has a triple camera setup housing 12 megapixel main sensor of f1.8 aperture with optical image stabilizer and dual autofocus. Right below the main sensor, it has 12 megapixel ultra wide shooter with f2.2 aperture, and underneath that there is 8 megapixel telephoto lens with f2.0 aperture, and both of the sensor has optical image stabilizer and autofocus as well. The phone features 32 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture, so we can expect slight improved result over the Galaxy S10 Lite. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will be powered by 4500 mAh battery with 10 watt standard and 15 watt fast charging support, so it may not charge as fast as the Galaxy S10 Lite since the S10 Lite features 45 watt fast charging. However, the certified speed aren't necessarily fully indicatives of final product, like the Galaxy Tab S7 series was said to have 15 watt chargers but ended up launching with 45 watt charging support, which concludes that the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition could launch with faster charging support but not more than the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, that is 25 watt. The phone will be available in wide variety of colors, and some color options will be reportedly differ between 5G and LTE models. The S20 Fan Edition 5G model could cost around $750, so the LTE model is expected to cost around $600, and it is likely to launch in mid-October. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts about the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition in the comments, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.